Are you team Brussels sprouts or team anything but these bitter little cabbages? I guarantee you are going to be team Brussels when you taste this recipe air-fried, drenched in a luscious peanut chipotle vinaigrette. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees and lightly brush Brussels sprouts with peanut oil. Place in the fryer basket and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, shaking halfway through. While the Brussels sprouts are cooking, make the vinaigrette. Start with 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. Add 2 teaspoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of water, 3 teaspoons champagne vinegar, 1/8 teaspoon of chipotle chili powder, and kosher salt to taste. Whisk until smooth. Toss the Brussels sprouts in the peanut chipotle vinaigrette until well combined. Add feta cheese, some mandarins, fresh mint, garnish with a little bit more mandarin juice, some mandarin segments, feta cheese, and some crispy fried shallots. The magic really happens with this recipe when that smoky, nutty vinaigrette meets the perfectly cooked Brussels sprouts, and bonus, the healthy fat, fiber, and protein found in peanut butter helps you stay full for longer. The only thing you need is extra peanut chipotle vinaigrette so you can keep on doing the dip. Look for these Brussels sprouts and more on my social @ParkersPlate. For more recipe inspiration, head to gapeanuts.com.